I'm going to be showing you how to delete all saved posts in Reddit. So Reddit does not provide a one-click option to delete all saved posts, but you can remove them individually or use third-party scripts to speed things up. So here's how to do it safely. So the first one is to remove saved posts individually in the manual way. So just open Reddit. As you can see, it's right there. And once you're here, you just need to go to your profile. Just look at the top right where you can see your profile picture. As you're here, you need to find profile right above you create your profile. Just tap there, and once you're here, you should find the option of save. So if you cannot find it there, then go back and you can find saved right above history right there. Just tap here, and what you need to do is click the 3 button in your post. As you can see, it's right there, and tap on and save. So this is slow if you have hundreds of saved posts, but if you want to do it all at once, then you need to run a small JavaScript snippet in your browser console to unsave all posts. You cannot do it via iPhone or any type of mobile phone, so you can only do it through your browser. So if you're using a browser, all you need to do is go to www.reddit.com/user/your username/slaved. And now you just need to open your browser console by tapping F12 or Ctrl+Shift+J and paste a script. And you can just scroll down to load more posts and repeat until all posts are unsaved. So that's how you delete all saved posts in Reddit. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.